Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, focusing on fresh eggs, quality mascarpone, and strong espresso. Then, I'll guide you through the simple steps of assembling this delightful Italian dessert. You'll learn how to properly soak the ladyfingers and create the creamy filling. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your homemade tiramisu. First, brew about 1 1/2 cups of strong espresso or coffee and let it cool to room temperature. While that cools, separate 3 large egg yolks and whisk them with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is pale and thick. Then, carefully fold in 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese until just combined, creating a smooth, rich cream for your tiramisu layers. Now for the assembly. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee, ensuring they are soaked but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-infused ladyfingers at the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, spread half of your luscious mascarpone cream evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat these layers once more, finishing with a final layer of cream on top. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. Slice and enjoy your homemade masterpiece. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.